Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Ray and welcome to usethebitcoin.com. Today I'll be sharing to you my personal trading chart. Now I want you guys to look at the areas where marked with the letter B, okay? Now those are the points where I bought Bitcoin. Now, do you see any recognizable patterns? All right? Now if not, don't worry because I'll point them out to you. All right. Now, I typically buy my Bitcoin during the consolidation periods. Now, what do I mean by that? Consolidation periods are the times where there's not much movement happening in the market. It's a bit boring and the prices tend to move sideways. However, only a few traders take advantage of this phase. Now, please remember that every trader has a unique trading style, and my technique may be different from others, but as long as it's profitable for me, then it works, right? Now, in my own opinion, this technique is only suitable for investing, all right? Investing rather than quick trading. Okay, now let's look at the historical movement of Bitcoin. Let's zoom out. Okay. Now, as you can see, before Bitcoin makes a significant move, it usually consolidates. All right. It is just moving sideways. Now, that is the typical pattern for the market: consolidation followed by a big move going up or going down. Now, let's examine some of the examples here. Okay. As you can see, it is consolidating and then look at what happened. Okay, it made a move going to the downwards. Same process here. It consolidated, created a move going to the downwards. Okay, let's look at other examples. It consolidated and created a move going upwards. Same here. It consolidated and created a move going upwards, and so on and so forth. All right, let's look at the different charts here. Okay, here you go. All right. Now, most of the time, Bitcoin consolidates before making its big move. All right. Now, look at the areas where I bought my Bitcoin again. I bought it during the consolidation and then the price went up. It consolidated again, so I positioned myself again, and once more, the price went up. Now, I want you guys to look at the current price of Bitcoin. Now, in my own opinion, it is starting to consolidate again, so I bought more Bitcoin. It might still go down and consolidate even further here, but that's okay with me. As long as Bitcoin is within its consolidation range, then I'll keep on buying more Bitcoin. I prefer to buy Bitcoin when it's quiet. I prefer to buy Bitcoin when it's boring, because when the prices breaks out of its consolidation, then I will enjoy my gains. So I will just place a stop loss below the consolidation areas, just in case that my trading bias goes against me. Now, even if I sell my position here, as you can see, my average buy is at this level. So I will still profit from that. Now remember, every trader has different techniques. So find what works best for you. Okay? Now thank you so much again for watching. If you want some trading tips and ideas sent directly to your inbox, then please subscribe to our newsletter. So just click the link in the description and see you guys next time. This is Ray signing off.